Hey there, campers! Here's how to build outside your camper van in Outbound. You can actually build outside your camper van in the game, not just inside it. However, you'll first need to unlock the feature through the Vehicle Research Station, whose blueprint becomes available as the 10th blueprint in the game. Once you have the blueprint, set up camp and open the build menu. Go to the Workstations tab and select the microscope icon to find the Vehicle Research Station. Build it on top of any counter, then interact with it once it's placed. Inside the research station, select the middle icon under Vehicle Research Options on the left side. This will open the Vehicle Building Space Upgrades menu. From there, click the first tile on the left branch to select the Outdoor Building Upgrade. The first upgrade requires 4 metal and 10 fiber. Click Research to unlock it. After unlocking the upgrade, you'll still need to craft and install it at your camper van's workbench. Go to the workbench, select the van icon, and choose the Outdoor Building Upgrade. Complete the quick minigame, and the upgrade will be installed automatically once it's finished. After it's applied, you'll notice nails marking the boundaries of your new outdoor building area. Keep in mind that you can only place furniture within this space. You can't build counters or housing structures directly on the ground. However, you can place workstations on top of tables, allowing you to create an outdoor crafting area. If you want to expand the outdoor building space even further, simply return to the Vehicle Research Station and unlock the additional upgrades available for it. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next side quest.